Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, How to Download TikTok on PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome in PC and search bar TikTok on PC. Step 2. You can see and first link TikTok make your day, click on it. Step 3. This app is open now. You can see top right corner 3 dots, click on it. Step 4. Scroll down and cast, save and share, click on it. You can see TikTok install, click on it. Step 5. Install, click on it. Back to screen, you can see TikTok install successfully. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.